Lecture problem 6. The mass of the Sun is equal to 2.0 times 10 to the power of 30 kilograms, while the mass of the Earth is equal to 6.0 times 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. The center-to-center distance between the Earth and the Sun is equal to 1.50 times 10 to the power of 11 meters. Determine the distance from the center of the Sun to the center of mass of the Earth-Sun system. Clearly, this question is a one-dimensional question, and the center of mass for a two-mass system is given by the following relationship. The position along the x-axis for the center of mass is going to equal the mass of the Sun, which is this, times the position of the center of the Sun as measured from the origin of the system coordinate, plus the mass of the Earth, which is this, times the position of the Earth as measured from the origin of the system coordinate, divided by the sum of the two masses, the mass of the Sun plus the mass of the Earth. Since the question is clearly asking us to find out the center of mass as measured from the center of mass of the Sun, therefore we're going to choose the origin of our system coordinate to be the center of the Sun. So x equals 0 is right where the center of mass of the Sun is located. Notice that the following quantity is equal to 0, because the position of the Sun is exactly located at the origin of the system coordinate. In other words, the xs equal to 0. Substituting the remaining quantities, the mass of the Earth, the mass of the Sun, and the distance of the Earth from the origin of the system coordinate, which is 1.50 times 10 to the 11, we can solve for the center of mass as measured from the center of mass of the Sun, which is the origin of the system coordinate, to be 4.50 times 10 to the power of 5 meters.